This is great for conventions. The Primula water bottle carrier with extra storage.
Yep.
How's it work?
Here, let me show you. Let me show you.
Uh-oh. So I get an actual water bottle of some kind. There's one right there. It's orange.
Okay, but it's kind of little.
There's one there with Spike Spiegel on it.
Oh, see, look at this.
Yeah.
Look, it just goes right in there.
Right in there. Yay, you carry it with you.
Yeah.
You could even get a huge bottle and put it in there.
Here's
And that has a
another-
storage pocket for like your phone or something too.
Yeah, look at this.
Nice.
If you have a bottle like this
What the heck?
with a handle,
What that big dumb cup?
you can go like this.
Oh my God! It's for
Go
your
through.
Stanley.
Your handle.
It's a big dumb cup carrier. Wow!
And
I
you
do
can
like
even carry
Yoda
it
though.
like this.
I see. So your middle class hand doesn't get tired.
Yeah.
I see.
Your middle class hand.
Yeah. Middle class.
See, and then I can go like this.
Because every middle class woman has that cup, or something like it.
This isn't a real Stanley.
No.
This is a fake knockoff.
Yeah, because we can't afford it.
I couldn't afford a Stanley.
No, who can't? They're like
This is-
$75. They're
This is a
ridiculous.
beautiful SLM.
SLM for slim.
Yeah.
Except it's
It's got
not.
a little
Yeah, what's
cover.
that thing on top?
It covers
keeps it
the
from,
lip,
like-
so it's dirt
so it doesn't-
and stuff doesn't go in your straw.
Okay, because
Yeah,
there's a lot of dirt
It just comes right off.
at conventions.
Anything.
Cool. I like it. I like the color of it too.
Yeah. But
So
I
that's a
thought-
Primula. Primula.
I thought we could carry it to the conference. It would be easier.
Okay.
So if I
Detachable
have-
strap too.
If I have my cape or my costume
Yeah.
on one
You
side.
could carry it could be a quiver of arrows too.
Mm-hmm.
Just in case.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it is like an anime con.
Yeah.
Yeah, we might have anime costumes on.
Yeah, and then or you can put a whole sword through it.
Maybe.
No, but that would break it.
Somehow.
Yeah.
We'll do the sword videos later.
Yeah.
Right.
Anyway, so
Cool. Thanks, baby.
this is
Later.